experience was very, very good. I say this because I am very skeptical when someone shows up at my house, but I will say this, everything that was promised to me was delivered, and I am very happy with the end product because I had really no complaints. The crew that showed up to do the installation, they were extremely efficient, they were courteous, and they respected the fact that this is my house. I love my new windows for a couple of reasons. One, the house is extremely quiet. I don't hear any of my neighbors or street noise, traffic noise. Not that I live in a busy street, but I'm very aware of things, so I don't hear a lot of noise. I really love the new windows because they are quiet, they work really well, and to be honest with you, I'm a budget kind of guy, so I've noticed that the windows that were put in, the cycling of my air conditioner barely goes on and off. We're in January, my heat has not come on and off, and the house, the temperature in the house stays the same. It's very constant, so I'm very happy with the efficiency of the windows. And just one more point, the windows have a lot of clarity. There's a lot more light in the house than there was before the windows were installed.